motivator, a peppy little coach with a whistle saying, let's start the week strong. Tuesday the thinker wears glasses and carries a book, says, let's learn something new today. Wednesday the wiggler, a silly dancing character that says it's midweek, let's wiggle and have fun. Thursday the helper, a kind caring day with a first aid kit or helping hand, let's help others today. Friday the fun lover, always ready to play, yay, it's almost the weekend, let's have fun. Saturday the explorer, with a map and backpack, time for adventures and family fun. Sunday the snoozer, wears pajamas and holds a pillow, let's rest, relax, and get ready for the week.